something I could do. I could be running or I'm chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing the Colourpop Cosmetics Aha Honey collection, and I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial and just kind of chit-chatting with you guys. So if you're interested to see how I achieved this look and to also to see the Colourpop Cosmetics Aha Honey collection, then just keep on watching this video. This collection is amazing. If you guys have not seen this collection, you guys need to go to Colourpop Cosmetics right now and check it out. The first item that I got is the Pocket Full Loose Pigment Duo, and these colors are so gorgeous. So this color here is called Fool For You. It's so pretty. It's a really bright yellow color. Next color that I got here is called the Lion. This is so pretty as well. Yeah, this one is actually featured in the Kathleen Lights Colourpop collection, so you can also get it from that collection as well too. Also picked up the Aha Honey eyeshadow palette. This palette here comes with 10 different eyeshadow colors. I also got 4 of the Super Shock shadows, which also came a part of the collection. I got the color Heat, and this is in a satin finish. This color here is called 6 Scents, and it's an ultra metallic shade. This next one that I got here is called Floating, and it's a glittery bright yellow color. The last shade that I got is called Rainbow Connection. This is a deep golden color with glitter and sparkle to it. Go ahead and prime my eyes, just using some of my NYX eyeshadow base. I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here called Buzzkill. This is going to be my transition color. I'm gonna use the color Au Behave for the outer corner of my eye. Take my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I'm just gonna place just a little bit on the center of my eye. So working on getting up a vlog for you guys for this month. Step is Sweet Spot, and this is gonna go in the center of my eye. Shoes that I have been using are Morphe, BH Cosmetics. I also use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came with one of the eyeshadow palettes. Take a little bit of the shade Fool For You and apply that right on top of Sweet Spot. I'm going to take this shade right here called Palooza. I'm going to take Queen Bee and add this to the corner of my outer eye. Get some more Buzzkill to kind of blend everything in, because I feel like it's just gone. I'm going to take this shade here called Stinger and apply this to my brow bone. One of my favorite foundations at the moment is currently the Fenty Beauty. She also has another foundation. It's a hydrating foundation. I plan on doing a whole first impression interview on the new Fenty foundation. I also plan on doing a get ready with me, testing out new makeup products. So be on the lookout for those videos. If you guys are interested in me doing a drugstore back to school makeup look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Using the brush, because my beauty blender is actually dirty right now. If you'd like to see me do our first impression interview on the new Urban Decay foundation, make sure you also comment down below, give this video a thumbs up too. also going to a light festival. Excited because I've always wanted to go to it. I'll list it down below for those of you guys who are interested, but I've always wanted to go. It just looks really cool. Write whatever you want on your lanterns, positive things on your lanterns. So this is like my all-time favorite concealer. They came out with a new one, maybe also another one that I feature in my Get Ready With Me video. This is a NARS 38 Creamy Concealer. I absolutely love this. I am just gonna apply a little bit under my eye. This is the 141 BH Cosmetics makeup brush. In my life update video, I'm actually working on my own clothing line, my own clothing store. So it's going to be an online boutique. Yeah, right now I'm in the planning phases. I'm hoping by the end of the year I'll actually have the whole Instagram account up for the store, the name, the logo, so then I can just start focusing on getting the product and the actual website for the store. Sephora is actually having a surprise. It's like an end of summer VIB sale that starts August 19th if you're VIB Rouge and August 20th if you're not VIB I just Rouge. Went ahead and put on some of my Fenty powder in the shade Banana. Speaking of which, that is something else I also need to pick up when they have this sale. I need to make a list. Like, there's things that I need that I'm out of. Just dust this powder off. I don't want it to stay too long and be like overly dusty. Let me know some more videos that you guys want to see here on my channel. I'm also working on getting a new lens. Like, it's a lot, so I'm trying to save for the lens because I think it's also going to help with my video quality too. My sister's coming down for the holidays and my room is a disaster and I want to paint, so yeah, it needs to be clean. Take a little bit of Sunburst and add it in the corner. Oh, that is like so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like Sunburst, it looks like it's like a dusty white color, but it's not. Ooh. I like Sunburst. Pretty. That one makes you happy. Well, it makes me happy. But I absolutely love this collection. It's like stunning. I love Colourpop. Like, they have so many cute things. I'm just really packing it in there because I want it to stand out. I have to start doing more makeup tutorials. So if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials here on my channel, thumbs up. I'm using my Fenty Matchstick. This is in the shade Truffle. Nose contour down the bridge of my nose. I may be going to another concert, you guys. Who is it? Day 26, B5. Was it? I think it's Immature IMX and Ray J, J Holiday. They're all going on tour. They're doing a throwback. It's called Throwback Tour. I don't know if I'm going to go to that or not yet. I plan on doing a shop with me at Walmart, but this is going to be back to school edition, maybe fall, I'm not sure yet. But I do plan on doing a back to school shop with me at Goodwill. These eyelashes, you guys, are the bomb.com. If you go to Walmart or Target, Ulta, pick these up. They're the Wispies. It doesn't have a band on it, so it gives it more of a natural, flawless, finished, put together look. I like to wear these a lot, mainly if I'm like, want a really simple natural eye look like you have on eyelash extensions, or just, it looks really good. I put on my eyelashes off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the rest of this look. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. That's Heart highlighter. This is just another BH Cosmetics face brush. I'm going to take this darker highlighter shade right here. I'm going to take my Luxe lipstick, and this is in the shade Electric Feel. that in my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. My lips, I used the Luxe Lipstick in Electric Feel. I also used One Wish and Commando by Kylie Cosmetics lipsticks. I also used the Colourpop Cosmetics Beeper lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you guys check out my back to school giveaway. It's currently going on right now. It will be ending very soon, so make sure you guys check out that video so you guys can enter and be able to win some really cool back to school prizes. I'll list the link to that video down below. Hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye, dolls.